Beautiful morning, guys. It's Travelers Taiwan, Liu in Taiwan. I'm Lena, and welcome to amazing Xiaoliuqiu Island. Woohoo!
When I wake up, what do you do there? Is this even real? Only thing that kept my heart beating. When I wake up, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real?
It's one of the best places in Taiwan for snorkeling and seeing sea turtles. So I'm super excited to do that today, and I'm already awake, so I need Patrick to wake up too. Okay, I'm not gonna wait anymore. He sleeps too long. I'm just gonna throw his goggles on his face as a suggestion to go snorkeling. Hey, Sleeping Beauty! Done! Wake up, wake up, wake up! Goggles on! Come on, come on! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Whoa. Snorkeling! Sea turtles! Snorkeling! Sea turtles, wake up, come on, hurry up.
It smells so bad.
Wake up! I watched it yesterday, I watched the goggles. You ready? Aren't you excited? 开不开心？
开心！
开不开心？
开心！
Yeah, let's go there.
So pet me, feed me, love me, pet me, feed me, love. Truth is, we're both needy. You can't get enough of the soft shit, cause that's how you like it. I don't wanna fake it. You don't wanna fight this soft bitch, cause I know you like her too.
Everyone is already awake. Let's get in the water.
What are we gonna do, huh?
You know, actually, Xiaoliuqiu has more sea turtles than the Great Barrier Reef, right?
Yeah, exactly. I was in Australia like a year, and everyone say that, hey, the Great Barrier Reef has so many sea turtles, but actually, guys, Taiwan has high density of sea turtle, especially Xiaoliuqiu.
Crazy, right? So let's find some, but in the same time we need to also be careful. It's important not to touch them because otherwise you may get fined, and also you need to stay 5 meters away from sea turtles. Wow, Xiaoliuqiu is getting so popular these days because it's summer vacation, so all the students are off. Look, the name of this place is Secret Beach. There are so many people. We usually carry all snorkeling gears with us.
Yeah.
All the way from Taipei. And
Yeah.
you know,
This is our baby. Look, it has like a battle scar.
from all the rocks. You know what's funny? Because the first time we came to Xiaoliuqiu, we were thinking the island is so small and we don't need to rent a scooter or anything, so we decided to walk all around. And it was like really bad idea because we were carrying all this stuff, and once we started to walk we realized it was a little bit not the best thing to do because it was super hot, we were sweating, and it was too late to rent the scooter, so we had to walk all around. That was like a super tiring trip, more tiring than hiking.
Yeah, and then that's the first time I ever see Lena put out this face like, I don't want to walk anymore. You know? She's
yeah,
like,
I was like, just don't talk
please,
to me,
Patrick.
okay?
I told you to rent a scooter. Why don't you rent it?
The ocean is waiting. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, let's go.
Pack your bags. I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me. Don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I want it to be here by my side. My tropical love.
How was it? How was it?
You know, actually it was so awesome. There are so many sea turtles. I didn't expect to see any because it was raining just now. And wow, we saw like what, 5? You don't even need to like search for them. They're just like around you somehow. You just look down there, there's a sea turtle. And there was a huge one.
Yeah,
Super
it was,
huge.
that one was so big. It was almost bigger than a baby, right?
A baby elephant. It was like, I think, yeah, kind of half of the size of the human body. Super cool. And you know, actually, I tried snorkeling for the first time in Taiwan. It was in Kayaking, right?
Yeah, who took you to go snorkeling, huh? Who?
Lao Shui. But now you know I can kick your ass.
And you know what? I still remember the first time I was taking her to do snorkeling. And she was like, huh? 好无聊哦.
You know,
你要干嘛?
I saw
没有东西.
I saw a bunch of people on the surface of the water.
And she said, oh, you can't. They look so stupid.
Yeah, because look, you can see, I don't know if you can see, but okay, there are some people snorkeling there. And it looks kind of like funny, boring. And I was like, come on, what else can you see there? And you know, we ended up snorkeling for the entire day because I loved it so much.
Yeah, once she came into the water, she saw all this, like, you know, like ocean world. She was like, oh my god.
And guys, you know, a part of touching sea turtles and getting close to them, it's also important not to put any sunscreen because it will all go in the water and poison the ocean. So I know it's hot, but please, instead of putting the sunscreen, you can just wear a shirt, cap, or anything else, right? To protect yourself. Okay, let's go. Water bike is waiting. Hurry up, let's get on the scooter.
Run,
I really like this lifestyle, you know, you just wear the whole day, you know, swimsuit. You hop on the scooter, you know, it's so chill and it's so nice because all your travels is like where you can swim, where you can eat. Super chill. I love this kind of vacation. Like Xiaoliuqiu is one of my favorite places actually. Come on, let's go.
Wow, my Uber is here.
Yeah, Uber is here, don't worry, it's for free, you know. Today is my happy day, so I just drive people around for free. Where do you need to go?
Back home?
Taipei? No, too far. So
I thought you can go to Taipei. Can you ride on the ocean or what?
Okay, so where do you want to go?
Alright. Water bike!
You know, in Xiaoliuqiu you can do a lot of really cool activities like kayaking or supping. But you know what? There's only one company which does a water bike. And you know who does it? 水行侠. Woohoo! Let's go. Wow, okay.
It looks like you're riding a Harley.
Oh, it's so comfortable. Because you know, kayaking requires more strength to move on the water, but this one is quite easy, you know? Harley, my water bike, Harley. 水行侠准备好了吗？耶！
Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone.
The water in Xiaoliuqiu is so clear, so transparent, so if you're not a big fan of swimming, you can always take a water bicycle because from here, look, you can see what's happening in the water. So cool, let me show you. Look, the water is crystal clear. Wow, you can see the bottom there. I see the horizon there.
I see the Aquaman! Aquaman!
Wait, I don't get any push. I gotta work with my legs.
Come on, move, lazy ass, move!
That's easy, okay?
So I gotta say, this is like super chill. I have never imagined any water activity can be that chill, especially we are traveling North Taiwan. Most of the stuff we do are so tired.
It's so exhausting. But yeah, this is very nice. Sorry guys, don't be jealous.
教练，如果大家你说这个行程都在小琉球玩得到吗？
小琉球目前小琉球，然后花莲也有，我们花莲刚好这个7月开始试营运。
哦，教练要花多久可以环岛一圈
？3个多小时。对，3个多小时。
It's not so long actually.
然后我们会经过一些可能秘境啊、混海石洞，我们都会带你们去。
哇！
然后像有些地点啊，海龟很多。 有龟岛，像我们三浦渔港那边外侧，它底下就有一个龟岛，它那个就是海龟的聚集地。哦。
The plan has changed and we are going to the base rock. Hello! Jayo! We're approaching the race road. Wow, with the sunset, it looks exceptional. What are you screaming there? Jayo! Ah!
Makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Maybe something about you makes me feel like crazy.
Sensitive content, because at night there's so many crabs go on the road and they got cracked, they got killed by scooters, and you can hear all this sound in the middle of the night. By the way, you know what it smells like?
What? Ocean.
No way. It smells like
seafood, lobster. Oh,
the dead crab, right? No, it smells like mango smoothie. There is a shop in front, so I really like it.
Oh, let's go, let's go get it. It's so
Perfect
hot.
for
Come
summer.
On, just go. Fun fact, in Xiaoliuqiu they actually grow mango here. A lot of people they don't know about it. But like Xiaoliuqiu mango is like so sweet and it's kind of like small and tiny. But it tastes really, really good, especially because the whole island is so salty, so the water doesn't have so much water. So it makes the mango even more juicy.
What? Okay, let's get it. You know I'm a badass, I have my own cup, okay?
Wait, they're not gonna fill out that much mango smoothie?
I hope $50 for like 1 liter.
Oh, they also sell, what's that? Oh, the dry squeeze.
Have you tried it before?
Yeah, it's kind of salty. It's good for like
Really?
alcohol. Yeah.
We also have it in Russia, but it's like way salty. The one I tried in Taiwan is like
Yeah,
very,
okay.
very sweet, okay?
Lena bought it for me. And then the one in Russia is a crazy salty. You need to drink like 2 beers just for 1 bite.
You just don't know what salty is. You know, every time I'm so psyched, I'm like, don't give me chopsticks in the restaurant or somewhere else. I'm like, no, I have my own cup.
Yeah, one time I get a straw for my drink. Lena break the straw. She throw it away.
In your mouth, right? So you can feel how sea turtles feel when they eat it.
Whoa!
Okay, check.
Wait, open it. Ah! Whoa! That's a lot. That's a half of the cup of this one, right?
Oh, goodness.
好不好喝？
超好喝哦。It's like so thick.
Can I try it?
No.
Can I try it?
You wanna try it? Buy one. Okay. Someone couldn't resist, right?
Yeah, it tastes so good. Like I just have a 1 sip and I was like, I need to get it. If I don't get it, once I go back to Taiwan, I'm gonna regret so much.
By the way, 你这么黑，
我哪有？
你住哪里？台北吗？还是小
你
琉球？
看看你自己啊 ！Fake Australian.
I'm okay. Kind of white still. Cheers.
Yes. Okay, take a look at this. You still have one remain. It's a 棋盘饺. Wow. So,
hey, you just dropped it.
No. Okay, I didn't break it. So the story is, this flower actually only blossoms at night. So look at this. It's still fresh. Tonight, possibly it's gonna blossom. And after one night, it's all gonna drop on the floor.
Yeah. It's so beautiful. Look.
Yeah, but Lena, don't give it to people in Liqiu, 好不好?
为什么?
Yeah, because they call it a devil flower because it only blossoms at night. So they think it's something like cursed. It's gonna give them bad luck. So don't give in to them.
Oh.
When I wake up, what do there? Is this even real? Only thing that kept my heart beating.
So we're in the harbor now, waiting for the boat.
Yeah,
to go back
actually
to
we
Taiwan.
just missed our boat.
Thank you, Xiaoliuqiu, for an amazing vacation, for super chill atmosphere, beautiful beaches, sea turtles,
Yeah.
sun, everything. Did you enjoy the vacation?
Yeah, it was amazing. You know, Xiaoliuqiu is so beautiful. Honestly, we have come here for like so many times, at least more than 4 times. Every time I come here, we just never get bored. Plus the food is so delicious, cheap. And you know what? Here, it's just so accessible. Like 20 minutes boat ride from Taiwan, the main island.
Plus, it's so easy to go around by scooter. And you know what? Why I also like Xiaoliuqiu because of the crackers.
So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy the videos.
Please get a like, subscribe to our channel, Travel North Taiwan, and I hope to see you somewhere in Taiwan. Cheers! Bye bye!